It is a great satisfaction to greet you on this day. I always wish you peace and prosperity. In today's video we will discuss the following 6 reasons why a woman can mercilessly leave you. Let us begin. The video sounds the alarm today for all those who are in a relationship and all those who want to be in a relationship soon, or for those like you who have lost or are losing their partner. So for you who cannot bear the despair of knowing how to win back a woman, I recommend that you put all your attention on what I have to tell you today. Nothing worse than a breakup. It stings, it hurts, we don't like it, destroy everything you built. When a girl leaves you, it is often a misunderstanding. But why? Why? But how can she leave you after all you've done for her? Today you are given the main reasons why a girl can leave you. Remember to avoid these 6 pitfalls if she doesn't want to eat ravioli on your own. 1. You are no longer attractive to her. Do you remember when you were courting her? Always dressed in the best way, always inventive to pick her up at school or out of the office. Cocktails, nights in the oven, improbable walks around town, surprise baths with homemade massages for her. Striking declarations of love, poems, and sonnets. You've really done everything you can for her. But since you've been with her, you haven't made any effort. Are your grades constantly dropping in school? Do you have no prospects for evolution at work? She does not see the future with you. You live without having a real purpose, without having a direction in life. 2. Because she found a better place elsewhere. Her colleague at work or her study congratulates her daily. He looks at her. He always highlights her in group lunchtime conversations in the canteen. Whereas you have been considering it as a piece of furniture for 6 months. She is there, but she is part of the walls. You no longer see it as an object of desire but as something that is there, acquired, forever. A serious mistake. If she finds something better elsewhere, is it really your fault? You fought with the weapons you had. If she leaves you for a richer, more handsome, stronger, smarter, more fun guy, don't be afraid. That should make you want to improve. You're probably a nice guy. An interesting guy. A curious guy. Funny. Reliable. Find a list of positive adjectives and write down all of the ones that apply to you when things go wrong. 3. Because she can't admire you anymore. She loved you for your qualities as a conqueror, for your optimism, for your outlook on life, for your good grades, for your social circle, for your physique as a Greek athlete. Then came an incident that left its mark on you. A layoff that leaves you financially out of the picture, the divorce of your parents, the death of a loved one. The change is brutal and violent. If you do not accept this change and take the measures of what is happening to you, you will transfer all the hopes you had for yourself to your girlfriend. Some men find themselves dependent on the partner's wife, and it is very difficult to deal with it when she brings the bread home. In the same way, some couples are imploded because the man cannot bear that his girlfriend suddenly earns more than he does. He remains humble. Be happy for her. But don't make him jealous of you. On the contrary, she should be a new source of motivation for you. She should encourage you to do more, to work better, to reconsider your priorities and to readjust your goals. 4. Jealousy, the poison of the couple. A stable partner also thrives on trust. Sick jealousy, on the other hand, only repels your girlfriend. Who wants to be in a relationship with a monster? Sometimes they try to convince themselves that her boyfriend loves them too much. Then, when they understand that the man does not have confidence in himself, that he considers any other man as a danger, they realize that emotionally he is too unstable to be able to live a life as a couple in complete serenity. 5. The case of the needy guy in a relationship. Did you think you could only be needed when you were single? Not at all. Some guys who have managed to seduce the girl of their dreams quickly surrender to their old demons once they are in a relationship. I am afraid of losing you. You are too good for me. What are you doing with me? I would be nothing without you. You are my whole life. If you ever leave me, I'd better die. Some guys who had integrated the notions of price during their seduction phase forget all the basics as soon as they are in a relationship and immediately put their girlfriend back on a pedestal. Error. Keep your pride. If she is in a relationship with you, it is because she finds qualities in you, so don't put your doubts and weaknesses in the spotlight. Of course, a partner is also used to lean on each other, to listen to each other, but she will leave you if you complain all the time. Keep your head up. There is no silver bullet when you are in a relationship except to remain vigilant and listen to your partner. Think of these little attentions that are the salt of the relationship. Think of surprising her from time to time. I'm glad to tell you that you don't have to wander in the dark, hoping to get lucky. Take advantage of our experience and recover the person you love. Click on the description of this video and now access the following personalized guide. Subscribe and comment. A pleasure and thank you.